Hi there, my name is Caitlin, and in today's video, I'm going to show you a really exciting update we recently made to relationships in the client web app. So your clients can now book services for other clients at your business that they have a relationship with in Wellness Living without having to sign into that person's profile. I'll show you how to set this up. So I'm starting here in the staff back office and I'm in my setup menu because there's a setting that has to be enabled for your clients to be able to do this. So I'll start off by expanding the business menu, and then I'm going to go ahead and open up my business policies. And then on this page, the setting that you'll want to look for is on the security tab, so give that a click. I'll just scroll down a little bit here. So under access to related client profiles, you'll want to make sure that this second toggle here for allow clients to sign into, book for, and edit related profiles of the selected relationship types is toggled on. When you do this, you can also choose which types of relationships that clients can book services for. So once that's all set up and you've got your relationship types configured here that clients can take actions for in the system, make sure to hit save. And then I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the client web app so you can see what this looks like. So I'm now logged into the client web app as our client Renee. And let's say that she wants to book a service for her daughter Gemma. For this example, I am going to book Gemma an appointment, but you can do this with your classes, events, and assets. So here on the appointments tab, I am now on the booking page, and this is step 1 of 1. And then underneath the type of service that I'm booking from the dropdown, there's an option here where you can select who you are booking for. So if I click on the drop-down menu here, I have the choice to book an appointment for myself. My name's listed there if I am Renee. And then I can also select here Gemma, or I can go ahead and add a new relationship if I need. So because we're booking for Gemma, I will select her name. And then the rest of the booking flow is going to be the exact same as it always is. So I am going to go ahead and go through this booking flow. So now that Gemma's service has been booked, I'm going to switch back into the staff back office one last time to show you how your staff are going to be able to tell who actually booked this service for Gemma. So now that I'm logged back in as a staff member, I want to know who scheduled Gemma's appointment. So the first place that I can check is her client profile. So I'll just hit search at the top and locate her profile here. And the place that I'll want to look is on the attendance tab. So I'll click on that. And then I will open up her upcoming schedule. And then there we go. We can see that service upcoming here. And then down at the bottom of service details, you can see who the service was booked by. And in this case, it was booked by Renee, who is her parent. Now, if this service has already happened, you would be able to see the same thing on Gemma's attendance history page as well. So if you're looking for something that's in the past, you'll want to go there. And then anything that hasn't happened yet should appear in upcoming. You can also see this information on the edit log, the booking source report, and if this was a class booking, you'd also be able to see it on the attendance list for that class. So that covers our update to booking services for clients in relationships. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.